a deep breath. Breathe out. Slowly open your eyes. Inhale, raise your both arms, arch back, knee straight. Exhale, bend forward, drop your palms down, head down, knee straight. Then inhale, right leg back. Keep your right knee straight. Keep your right knee straight. Push your hips down. Raise your both arms sidewise. Look front and hold. 3, 2, and 1. Then in the front, join your palms. 3, 2, 1. Then exhale, drop your palms down. Take your left leg back, plank. Keep your body straight. Then inhale slowly, turn your feet, turn your body, then raise your right hand up. Hand to hand straight, look up. If you're still comfortable, you can raise your right leg, catch your big toe, then stretch up. Knee straight and look up. Then exhale, plank. Keep your body straight. Then same opposite. Turn your feet, left hand up. If you're comfortable, catch your big toe, then stretch up. Look up. Then exhale, plank. Keep your body straight. Then inhale and exhale. Drop your knee, chin and chest on the floor. Elbow facing upward. Then inhale, raise your right leg up. Right knee straight, point your toes. Then exhale, down. Then same opposite, left leg. Exhale, down. Then inhale, cobra. Roll your shoulders. If you're comfortable, fold your both legs. Try to touch your feet to your head. Then exhale, downward facing dog. Push your upper body inward. Don't raise your heels. Then inhale, again raise your right leg up. Push your head down. Knee straight. Then slowly right leg forward. Sit in half split. Sit in half split. Stretch your toes back. Okay, then keep your palms on your waist. Again, inhale, lean back. Exhale, bend forward. Again, inhale, come up, lean back. Exhale, bend forward. Again, inhale, come up, then fold your left leg, lock your left elbow. Okay, then right hand, thigh fly, back side, catch your left hand. Hold the posture. If you're comfortable, you can turn your shoulders, rotate your shoulder, try to touch your feet to your head. Then exhale, bend forward, stretch your arms, stretch your back, relax your body. Then again, inhale, slowly come up, center. Then exhale, lean back. Try to bend more. Then inhale, center. Take your both hands backside. Catch your left ankle. Catch your left ankle. Then slowly bend forward. forehead on the floor. Then inhale, center. Exhale, drop your palms down. Take your right leg back. Downward facing dog. Push your head inward. Then same opposite. Inhale, raise your left leg up. Push your head down. Knee straight. Then slowly left leg forward. Sit in half split. Same for opposite side. Stretch your toes back. Keep your palms on your waist. Again, inhale, lean back. Exhale, bend forward. Again, inhale, come up, lean back. Exhale, bend forward. Again, inhale, come up, then fold your right leg, lock your right elbow. Okay, then left hand at the back side, catch your right hand. If you're still comfortable, you can rotate your shoulder. Try to touch your feet to your head. Then exhale, bend forward. Stretch your arms, stretch your back. Relax your body. Then inhale, come up, center. Then exhale, lean back. Inhale, center. Then take your both hands backside. Catch your right ankle. With exhalation, bend forward. Forehead on the floor. Then inhale, center. Exhale, drop your palms down. Take your left leg back, downward facing dog. Push your head in. Then inhale, right leg forward. Push your hips down, keep your left knee straight. Raise your both arms sidewise. Hold. 3, 2, and 1. Then in the front, join your palms. 3, 2, and 1. Then exhale, drop your palms down. Take your left leg forward. Head down, knee straight. Then inhale, raise your both arms. Again, arch back. Then slowly come to Namaste. Join your palms, close your eyes.